You guys! Don't surprise me like that. Okay, come in and give me my gifts.
Good morning.
Oh my
Happy
god!
birthday.
What is this? Wow! A passion journal. Very passionate. Oh my gosh, let me put on my glasses. It's Ariana! Ari, come over here! What is that? Oh my god, it's so ugly. Don't mind me, guys. You already know I'm a catfish in the morning. I'm not ready yet. I'm gonna be opening my gifts. Alright, so because it's my birthday and I don't like when you guys are seeing me like this too much, let's go get yassified. Come on. He's walked in his room 3 times. Thank you, Austin. Of course. Happy birthday. Okay guys, so we're finally done getting ready. It took us like about 2.5 hours. I'm just kidding.
It took us like an hour.
But I'm here with everyone now. Roomies, Blake, Matthew, Brandy. I'm gonna open up our gifts. Or my gifts from them. So I didn't open up Matthew and Brandy's gifts, so here it is. This is Matthew's gift. Thank you, Matthew. Matthew, stop! What is this? It's so cute! You guys! Oh my god, this can be my cuddle buddy when we're doing homework. This is Brandy's gift. This is Brandy. She's my little from Filipino club.
Oh, word.
If you guys didn't know. Stop!
I'm underage.
Alright, I think we're gonna head to Disneyland. It's already like, what time is it? Can you show your phone?
11:22.
It's already 11:22, so yeah, we're gonna have a whole day there. So, alright, let's go. We're here!
Waking up too early, I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places and the phases we call love.
Megan!
Start to change, but do you ever wake up feeling like everything is strange? We should buy a one-way ticket and board onto a plane and fly it straight into a black hole.
You guys, there's so many people at Disney. I think they're all here for my birthday.
For real.
That must be why, huh? Okay guys, so we're finally here at Disneyland. As you guys can see, the castle's behind me and it's such a bright and sunny day. We went ahead and got our pins. So here's my birthday pin. Let me go in the sun. My birthday pin. She's so nice. She wrote down like all the Mickey Mouses and stuff. And then they got celebrating pins too. Whoa, whoa, relax, relax, relax. Okay. I think the plan for right now is we're probably gonna go get food. I think we're gonna go to Star Wars Land to see if we can get into the cantina. And then last, I don't really know what we're gonna do next. We're just gonna go around the park and just have fun. So, I'm excited to take you guys around with me. Let's go. Okay, this is her first time trying the Black Calf Cold Brew. We're both of their first times trying it. On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you guys rate it?
Like a 7.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, I'll give it a 6.
6. Rico and Austin mixed the drink. And they said that it's better now. So what would you rate it now?
A 7.
A 7.
Like a 7.8.
Okay. Okay, bye. It must be nice. My girlfriend. Oh, wait,
taxi.
Wait a minute. I got bippity boppity booed. But I haven't been bippity boppity booped up yet. Do you guys see it? But I have lots of glitter on me because of that. It's like we're at the Jungle Cruise. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So I decided that I wanted to update you guys of what we have been doing so far and what we did actually. So some things that we did was we went on like Peter Pan, Jungle Cruise. Yeah, so I don't really know what we're gonna do now. I think the rides that I want to still do include like It's a Small World, Rise of the Resistance,
Storybook.
And Storybook, yeah. Those are like the main ones. Oh, and Alice in Wonderland if you can fit it in.
Oh yeah, of course.
But yeah, so before we leave, I'm trying to get my free gift from Sephora and then possibly go to California Adventure to get a drink.
What time do they close?
But yeah, that's what we got going on so far. Bye.
Thank you, girl.
So as you guys could see, we're trying out the food from Pim's Kitchen. we're trying.
Did you show them the salad?
It's really good. It's really tangy. The salad doesn't look that good, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna try.
It's just a Lego thing.
It's literally a wedding.
Okay guys, so you already know, since I'm 21, so these are the drinks that I can get. I'm thinking about getting one of their beer cocktails, and I think I'm gonna do this one, the Regulator, because it has like mango boba in it. Hello, can I get the Regulator, please? The Regulator? Yes, please.
Can I steer you over, friend?
Yeah.
This is his first drink he's buying.
I know, so I'm blocking it. I don't think they recorded, but we're just gonna act like it's the first time. So I went ahead and got the Regulator from Pim. Was it Pim Kitchen? Tasting Kitchen?
Yeah.
And this is my first legal drink that I got. I already tried it, but I'm gonna act like I'm trying it again. Great.
Wow, mind blown.
Guys, my mom can't be here for my birthday, but I'm FaceTiming her with my first drink. All right, love you. Bye, love you. Oh! Hey y'all, so all of us are kind of pooped. We're cold, tired, irritable. Our night's coming kind of to an end. Well, not really, but our Disney day is coming to an end. It was an eventful day. We're gonna go home, and then maybe we're gonna celebrate a little bit more. So, well, I'll tune in with you guys later.
I'm not very good at this whole opening candle box thing like these. I don't know why.
I love it.
Eric, I don't, he's doing something in his room, but Kiana right now put the candles on the cake. 21 candles and one more for good luck. But yeah, so 22 candles in total for the 21st birthday of Mr. Eric Kunanen, the owner of this channel. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday, dear Eric.
Kunanen.
The candle.